Hi guys, 6 plus 2 is 8 times. Here this is 8 minus 3 is 5 square divided by 5. Here 8 times 5 square is 25 divided by 5. Now this 8 times 25 is 200 divided by 5. Here 200 divided by 5 is 40 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, this 40 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. As per this PEMDAS, this bracket is higher priority than other operations. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 6 plus 2 times here 8 minus 3 is 5 square divided by 5. Here next operation is exponent. We have exponent here 5 square. 6 plus 2 times this 5 square is 25 divided by 5. Here we have addition, multiplication, division. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority, also higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this before this addition. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to follow here left to right rule. Here left to right is this. So 6 plus here 50 divided by 5. Here the addition and division. Division is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this division before this addition. So 6 plus this is 10. Here 6 plus 10 is 16 is the right answer.